everyone, and welcome to Jack and Cat Adventures. Today we're going to be making roasted pecans. Now, I know you all know how to roast pecans. This is a little bit different because we're going to be putting it into chocolate, and it's going to be the salty sweet thing going on. So you need a pound of pecans, a half a cup of melted butter, just pour it on the pecans. Have your oven set at 300 degrees. Now, I use a ton of salt on these because the offset of the chocolate and the salt, the Miriam of the two, oh my god, it's so good. But I do a lot of salt here, and then once I take them out, I will taste them. The minute I take them out, if they need more salt, I'll just salt them again. So don't think you're going to over salt these, because you're not. I don't think I've ever over salted them. Okay, now we're going to stir it. Make sure everything's coated. And make sure when you have these in the oven, you watch them because they will burn very quickly. When they start to smell like nuts roasting, you'll smell it. Don't worry. That's probably a pretty good time to take them out because they will continue to cook on the hot tray. And you don't want to overcook these nuts because once they're burnt, you can't do anything with them. Alright, so now I'm just going to put a little more salt on. I can see I don't have enough because it's not like coated on there. I want it a little coated. Now I'm not sure if I'll need more at the end of the baking. Like I said, we'll test it then. Remember to subscribe and like our channels, please. That'll get us more stuff out on YouTube to show you. And make sure that you subscribe because we're coming out with a lot of Christmas candies and cookies and all that. So keep your eyes open, okay? So now these are going to go into the oven, 300 degree oven for 20 to 30 minutes, and I'm going to stir them every 10 minutes. Alright, so mine took, nuts took 24 minutes in the oven. I can't talk today, sorry guys. Well, I took them out and I tossed them and I tasted mine and they had enough salt on them. Now, what you're looking for is when they're done, and like I said, pull them a little bit before they're totally roasted because they will continue to cook on this tray. What I look for to know that there's enough salt on them is when you're moving them around and stuff, you can actually see the crevices encrusted with salt. That's what you want, okay? So don't worry of being too much salt, but keep tasting them, okay? So now we're just going to let these cool, and we'll continue with them once they're cool. Alright, now that these are cool, we're just going to chop them up. And this all depends on how big you want them in your chocolate. Now, what I do is I wait until I'm done doing all of my chocolate, like candies and suckers and all that, and whatever the chocolate that is left at the end of the day of doing that is what I use to put the nuts in. So it'll either be milk chocolate, dark chocolate, white chocolate. I don't really do the colors in this. You don't want them too big of pieces.